So I have a 1999 utility flatbed, and I wanted to store tarps somewhere. So my friend has a junkyard where he works and does car repairs and stuff like that. And he had a old cattle gate, so we cut it off so it was 3 foot and 3.5 feet, and we're putting it on top of these 2 supports, and then we're gonna put some U-bolts on there, and then I can store my tarps up inside of there. So Jeff has got some threaded threaded rods. He's putting them over the top of that. He heated them up and bent them, and then he's putting this angle iron underneath there to hold it up. And we're doing that on both sides, front and back, and it'll be good.